Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the E5 error code on your Hisense portable air conditioner. And first, before hopping on to the solutions, we need to understand what does this E5 error actually mean. So on most of the Hisense portable air conditioner, you are going to see the E5 error code which will be displayed on this particular screen, and it means that the internal water collection tank is full, so the unit stops cooling in order to prevent the water from overflowing. So in this case, what you need to do is you just have to simply switch off the air conditioner and you just have to unplug it from the power outlet before draining any of the water. Afterwards, you just have to simply locate the lower drain plug on the back of the unit and place the shallow pan or hose underneath. Remove the drain cap and let all the water drain out. So once it is empty, you just have to reinstall the drain plug securely. Then you just have to plug the unit and you just have to turn it back on. In most of the cases, the E5 code will disappear automatically once the water has been drained. So that's how you can basically fix it. Thanks for watching.